I have some test scores here from a group of students. We want to find out if there is a correlation between the two tests. We need to set up a set of axes where on the vertical axis is the response variable, which is this case test 2. On the other axis, the explanatory variable is test 1. It's important that we actually do a plan like this so we've got a clear picture as to what we are doing. So it's time to create a new document. So press number 1 for new, and then add 4 Lists Spreadsheets application. In the first column, we're going to type in test 1, which is the explanatory variable. In the second column, test 2, which is the response variable, and then we enter the data in. Once the data has been entered in, we're going to press Ctrl-I and then add a data and statistics page. On the bottom, to click to add variable, we're going to put in the explanatory variable, which is test 1. On the left-hand side, we click test 2, which is the response variable. And as you can see, the scatter plot has been formed. If I press menu and then option number 4, analyze, and then number 6, we can calculate the regression line, the least squares regression line. I choose A plus BX, and you can see the result is come up where we've got the equation and the R squared value. If I change the float settings, I can actually control the amount or the number of decimal places that are displayed using the float settings. Also, if the R squared value isn't coming up, if I choose menu and settings and diagnostics tick, that has to be on. If I take it off and press OK, you can see the R squared value isn't there. By pressing menu and 6 though, I'm going to put the tick back on and press OK to display it. What I could do is also insert, by pressing Ctrl-I again, a calculator application instead. And that will also calculate the least squares regression line. And so by pressing menu and 6 statistics, and then option either 3 or 4 will help us, but I'm going to go 4, A plus BX. X list will be test 1, the explanatory variable, and then the Y list will be test 2, the response variable. If I press OK, the results on the calculator page will again be displayed. Notice that in fact I've got the float 3 setting for, and so A, B, R squared and R are displayed as such. But if I go to document settings again and change the float settings, I'm going to choose float, press OK, then up arrow key and press enter and enter again, the results are displayed to more decimal places.